Should be down by your floor. Where your foot is?
No, there's nothing down there, no pedal. Maybe this one. It has a P right here on the button up here, but I don't know if that's it.
Where?
Right here, there's a
Is
P.
it electronic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then it should be in park when before you start it. It should automatically be in park.
Okay. Oh, it is right here. It says P.
Go ahead. Move forward. Stop. All right, come on. That's fine. Okay, we're here to look at a 2011 FERMONT MEP-804A generator. And what we're going to do today is we are going to get this thing running. All the fluids have been changed, dropped out of the machine. For storage, we're going to have to put radiator fluid in here, new oil, fuel, and then we are going to run this thing and test and see what the output voltage is. And I don't know if we're going to be doing a load test today, but that's about as far as we get. The batteries are out of it. We're going to get these hooked up. It's going to be a 24 volt system, 28 volt system. And once we get the batteries in there and the fluids in there, we're going to prime the system and get it running for this guy. This came from Oahu, and he wants it running. So here's your mechanic maintenance switch here. I'll get some light, and you'll see here that you have a crank, you have a off, and you have a normal. So when we're priming the system and we get oil in here and we get fuel in there, and you want to prime it without running the engine, you go ahead and crank it here and prime the fuel system, get it ready to crank up. And then once you're done, you're going to put it in the off position and then put it in normal so we can fire it up. Then you're going to come to the front cover. This is going to be your frequency switch, your voltage switch, and your AC circuit interrupter. This is going to be a very important function here, and we can test it without the engine running. But we're going to drop this control panel bring it down, take a look in here, and then you see the frequency select. You're going to pull this out and then lift it up and put it to 60 hertz and make sure it's the frequency set correctly. We're going to go ahead and check this panel. Now we're still going to get fluids in here, and I'll show you how to start this thing. Okay, the radiator cap is going to be found at the top. Get your funnel, get your radiator fluid, coolant, and we're going to get this filled up. So we're going to go ahead and fill the oil. And I got my funnel in there, and this is the pickup stick. And we're going to go ahead, we got this thing level, as you can see. I had to level this thing out. We're going to go ahead and add oil. Antifreeze is already in there. And after the oil, we're going to put fuel in here. And then we're going to hook up the batteries. So I got the oil level correct. Of course, the machine is level. It's kind of full, but we have empty filters, so we're just going to leave it at the full mark. And I'm not going to bother with the overflow yet. I got the radiator filled oil. We're going to get it running, and then we'll do those other things later. Filled overflow bottle, so forth. Right now, oil's set, antifreeze is set, ready to put fuel in. Batteries are hooked up. So you got this main wire that goes over here on the bottom, and it's going to, that red tag, that's going to be your positive. It's going to go over here to your positive, and then you're going to go from negative here to positive here on this battery with the jumper, and then this is going to be from your negative on the top, and that's going to give you 24 volts. That's how the batteries go in this machine. This is set to drain the oil. So you pop this off, open the valve. That's how you drain the engine oil. We're going to get fuel in here and prime the system. Okay, we got that. It cranks. Starter's good. Battery's healthy. We're going to click it to normal. That's the mechanic switch. I don't know if we're going to need that, probably. And I'm going to come over to the board. Of course, I'm going to make sure it's set correctly, which I did already. And then we're going to come over here to prime. Get that fuel in those lines. Now I'm going to come over here to the high injection fuel pump here and prime it. And you keep pushing this pump until it starts to get hard. I hear fluid leaking out somewhere. Where's that leaking from? All right, I think I got the system primed up to this top filter here, water separator. You know, there's your pump again, your priming pump here. I come over here and I just pop that banjo bolt until I got all the air out, and we got fluid up there. And yeah, so we got fluid going into the injector pump. I hope I don't have to crack those lines. I don't think I will. And I think we can just push through this and get it started. Fuel is in there, oil levels corrected, caps on, locked in place. Radiator cap is off, so we can get any air out of the system. Fuel It's making its way to the pump. I think we're ready to start this. Oil cap's on. Okay. Let's run it.
On the blacktop, dawn on the bed, socked on my sleeves as I head to the day. Red dust on the fender, mom said on my truck, waking up, hear that cadence calling like thunder in the trees, step by step.